Shibuya.
We made it!
Yeah, made it to the Ghibli Museum. Yay! Oh, hello, Totoro. No pictures inside when. Oh no.
No pictures. But look at the outfit. The voiceovers for Ghibli films are actually pretty good. And they get like really good actors. And then the cube is basically like the future.
The cube.
Yeah, it's the cube, the future cube.
Oh.
Yeah, to activate all those.
It activates those robots.
Most of them. There was only one that was working in the film.
Well, same in the movie.
If you forget.
I forgot.
Something in the sky.
How are you enjoying it?
So nice because we didn't get to see this last time because of the weather.
Yeah. Look how big it is. It's pretty big. There's a cafe there also, I think.
Yeah, let's go to the cafe.
I'll show the cafe. Here we go. Ghibli cafe. Hot dog, french fries, grape and apple drink.
Yeah, I got apple.
Winnie already with the blushes.
Yeah.
Cute. Gotta keep them away from Mochi.
Yeah, I know. Gotta keep them away from my dogs now. So I had some on my couch and they used to bite them. So those
Ooh, so
aren't
pretty. This looks good. And then I'll try the ice cream after. There's ice cream. How's the french fries?
little.
Yeah.
Oh no, they're all stuck. The sun.
Oh, nice.
Is it calamansi though? Looks like calamansis.
Yeah. Winnie. Nice. What's this? We exit the Ghibli Museum into the park. Look at the Ghibli Museum from the outside. It's cute.
Yeah. There are animals here. In cages.
Really?
It's a sad drawing.
Oh my gosh.
McDonald's. Japanese McDonald's.
Sarah, what'd you get?
Karubi burger.
I got a samurai mac. It's good. It's good though.
I got this one.
How was it? Alright, we're going to Shibuya. Crossing. Manny. Crossing Shibuya. What's up? Made it to teamLab. Look at this. It's so dark. You can't really see. Whoa. Winnie, look here. Whoa.
Disco.
Oh my gosh. Winnie, the fish. Look at the fishes. You try touching it, man.
We're out now from teamLab. Most prominent thing about this whole experience is you will get your feet wet and you will definitely smell feet. Especially the beginning part, because like people haven't washed their feet, so like it really smells like feet. And then as the experience continues, then you start smelling less and less of it, but feet is still there. And don't forget that there are two experiences. There's the garden and the water experience. Our camera didn't capture the garden experience because we actually thought we were just repeating it again with my phone. But we actually went to the other experience, which is the garden one. It was cool. Overall, it was fun, enjoyable, very, very interesting experience. It's way better than the one in Singapore.
Oh, really?
And they don't rush you.
Did you feel kilig? Very like romantic.
Yeah, very romantic. There are a lot of couples there. You felt romantic. Or you felt? How
Yeah,
did you feel?
obviously.
Woo!
I kept trying to hold your hand and you're like, no.
That's not true. That's not true.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
But this is the only one that's open, I think. They closed the other one.
Now we go look for dinner.
Yeah. Now I want to make a Kit Kat.
Oh yeah, are we doing that tonight?
If there's time.
Okay, let's go check it out. Get you ramen, baby. Did you get me ramen also?
Yeah, I got you ramen.
Okay. Okay. Who's dog is that?
Hi, open.
How's yours? Got some rice too. How's yours, man? You're peeling an egg? Alright, here we go. Japan bubble tea from Gongcha.
I should have just done regular sugar.
Oh, really? Why? It's too sweet.
No, this tea is really strong. Okay,
Okay.
I'll finish it.